from 6X BME1. Subject is fundamental of airline economics. This video is about the effect of aircraft incident on economy. Okay, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about the background of one of the biggest company in Malaysia, which is Malaysia Airline System. Now, it is known as Malaysian Airline Berhad. Malaysian Airline System was founded on 1 May 1947, about 70 years ago, as Malayan Airways, which is now Malaysian Airline System. The hub is located at KLIA. Malaysian Airline System has 70 fleets. It flies to over 61 destinations. It has 14,000 employees in 2016. The profit they make in 2017 is 18 million ringgit, which is increasing from the previous year. Okay, Malaysian Airline System is founded on 1 October 1972, and Malaysian Airline Berhad is relaunched on 1 September 2015, about 3 years ago. Let us take a look on one of the biggest well-known incident in Malaysia, which is the missing of fleet MH370.
Flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean.
MH370 is disappeared on 8 March 2014. It flies from the KLIA to Beijing, China. It involved Boeing 777. It is said that the last made voice contact less than 1 hour after takeoff. After that, the aircraft went missing. The MH370 was carrying 12 crew, 227 passengers from 15 different nations. This is the second deadliest incident involving B777 in Malaysia, the second deadliest incident in history of Malaysia. The first rank of deadliest incident is MH17. What happened and what will happen when the MH370 was missing. It obviously affects the Malaysian economy. Most affected sector is tourism sector, because aircraft flew from Malaysia to China. So inside the aircraft, the majority of the passengers was Chinese. When the incident happened, when the aircraft is missing, Malaysian received criticism from China for failing to disclose information promptly during early weeks of the search. And the tourist decreases because many people from China boycott Malaysian product and Malaysian singer, and they also boycott to do their holiday in Malaysia. Malaysia Airline System estimated to have a financial problem because of the missing of the aircraft. Malaysian Airline System lost their profit, which is 300 million Malaysian ringgit because of that incident. The company stock decreased 80%, which is contrasted with the rise of 18% of Malaysian stock. During the incident, the Malaysian Airline System stock decreased while other Malaysian company stock rises. Okay, during the late of March, some Chinese ticket agency discontinued selling ticket to Malaysia because of the missing of the MH370. Tourists from China dropped 60% in March. So the effect of this tourism sector affect the economy of Malaysia, because many people from China do not want to go to Malaysia anymore. So the Malaysian Airline System losses their profit from China. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.